Hello people, welcome to another class in the trigonometry chapter. So today we'll be learning about different values of trigonometric ratios in different angles. That's a big heading, so I'm not going to write it there. So let's jump into the topic directly. Wait a second. Before that, I forgot to tell you a small identity in the previous video. So we'll cover that right here in 2 minutes. So in the previous video, we have known that this is a right angle. Of course, everybody knows this is a right angle triangle. So this is a right angle triangle, and this is a theta. We know that, and this is hypotenuse. This is A, and this is B. And we also know that sine theta equal to opposite by hypotenuse A by H, and cos theta equal to B by H, and tan theta equal to opposite by adjacent, which is A by B. So if we divide sine theta by cos theta, what's going to come? It's just an experiment. Let's do it. So sine theta over cos theta. So we're going to be substituting these values, which is equal to A by H over B by H. So if you know complex fractions, the denominators are going to get cancelled, which is H are going to get cancelled. This is equal to A by B. And guess what? This is the same A by B here. So sine theta over cos theta equal to tan theta. So we got a new kind of identity revealed down here. So that is the thing only I missed yesterday's class, previous video's class. So we're going to be jumping into the topic of values of trigonometric ratios in different angles. So done. So I said I am not going to write the heading, but just for reference I'm going to write values of trig ratios. I'm going to write this much, this is more than enough. Values of trig ratios. So yeah, as you might have seen in your books, there might be very huge tables on values of trigonometric ratio, different angles. Like there are angles at 0, 90, 45, 360, and many more. But we are not going to be doing that. We are going to be doing a very simple and short method for finding trigonometric angles. Values of trigonometric ratios at different angles. So yeah, we are going to be only remembering or memorizing the values of only sine theta and cos theta, of only 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees. We are going to be only memorizing only these 5 of only sine theta and cos theta, and remaining everything will come on its way, and it will be derived from sine theta and cos theta as well. So we're going to be starting. We know that sine theta, which is, so in the if theta is this, then we are going to be writing the values. So if sine theta, if in the place of theta it is 0, sine 0, right? Sine 0 is 0, got it? Sine 0 is 0, and then sine 30 is 1 by 2. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. And sine 90 is only 1, right? So this is the range of sine theta. It can only go from 0 to 1. It cannot go more than that. So next, cos theta. See, even the cos theta, we don't need to remember the values. If we know sine theta, we can get cos theta. So it's just like the reverse of sine theta. The inverse of sine theta. So we know that sine 90 is 1. So cos 0 is 1. Direct. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2. So the same. 1 by root 2. And sine 30 is 1 by 2. So cos 60 is also 1 by 2. Sin 0 0, cos 90 0. So in these trigonometric ratios, we only need to remember sin theta. To be precise, even if we remember cos theta, it's gonna make it easier but not tougher. So, but even if we remember cos theta, it's gonna make it easier. Yeah, that's what I said. I'm sorry. So yeah, sin theta and cos theta are related, and remaining else is also related. Now we are gonna be writing tan theta. Tan theta. Do we need to remember all the tan theta values? No, so we don't need to be remembering. And just like 2 minutes ago, I've said that sin theta over cos theta equal to tan theta. Right? I hope you remember that, because that's what we are going to be doing in the tan theta. So tan theta. So tan 0. For tan 0, we need to divide sin 0 over cos 0. Sorry, sin 0. Okay. Sin 0 over cos 0. Cos 0 degrees. We forgot. Degrees are the most important. I've considered degrees everywhere. So tan theta is sin 0 over cos 0 degrees. And we know sin 0 is 0. And cos 0 is 1. So 0 by 1 is 0 according to maths. So we got tan 0 is also 0. We didn't memorize tan 0 is always 0. We just derived it, right? And then next we are going to be doing the same. So this is sin 30 degrees over cos 30 degrees, which is equal to, what is sin 30? 1 by 2 over root 3 by 2. So same complex fraction, denominators get cancelled, it's the same. 1 by 2, 2 gets cancelled, root 3 by 2, 2 gets cancelled, that is 1 over root 3. So this is tan 30 value. And the same here, we have to divide sin 45 over cos 45, that's pretty easy. And that is 1 by root 2 over 1 by root 2, we can read directly, that is 1. So we know that tan 45 is also equal to 1. And tan 60, root 3 by 2 over 1 by 2, 2 cancels, very easy. And then the answer is root 3. So tan 60 is also equal to root 3. Next, tan 90, that is equal to sin 90 over cos 90, which is 1 by 0, which is not defined. Or we can name it as ND or infinity. Anything is fine. ND or infinity, because that is not defined in maths yet. That's it. So we got the values of tan theta, cos theta, and sin theta of all 0, 30, 45, 60, 90, right? So the remaining three, the secant theta, the cosecant theta, and the cot theta, how are we going to define? How are we going to derive, right? So in my previous video, I have said that, if you remember, sin theta equal to 1 over cosecant theta, cos theta equal to 1 over secant theta, and tan theta equal to 1 over cot theta. So with these, we can easily find out the values of cosecant theta, secant theta, and cot theta. If we just reverse these, so cosecant theta will become 1 by sin theta, secant theta will become 1 by cos theta, and cot theta will become 1 by tan theta. So it's pretty easy, right? So if we know the values of sin theta and cos theta, we're going to get the values of every trigonometric ratio. You might have a question of what will we do if they give tan 180 degrees, right? You have the question in mind, right? Tan 180, sin 180, cos 180, cos 360, cos 540, cos 1000. Okay, what are we going to do if they give such values? Yeah, for that, you have to watch the next video, because I'm not going to be explaining that here. So yes, that is about the values for trigonometric ratios. In the next video, we are going to be learning about how to calculate the values for higher theta, which is, today we have learned up to 90 degrees, but tomorrow we're going to be learning up to 1000 or even 10,000, who knows? So we're going to be calculating higher values in the next video. So stay tuned, please do subscribe for the channel, and like my video, please share it. Thank you, bye bye.